Hello from Fort Morgan. Are a dray of squirrels or a scurry of raccoons living rent-free on your roof? Or maybe a descent of woodpeckers is hosting an OnlyFans at your chimney. Is your pain point not knowing what's going on with your roof?
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I'm a licensed commercial drone pilot. With my Mavic 2 Zoom, I'll photograph your roof from all four sides and capture a top-down view for personal records, insurance claims, or before and after shots of work getting done. Message me for detailed roof pics. At 303 Drones, we have your roof covered.